We're here on Lake Jordan at the town of Cary, North Carolina's raw water pump station. And this is where we have an Invicta Water pilot for a drinking water system. So what we have is we are actually pulling water directly from the lake. So what we are getting ready to show you is the absolute worst case scenario. We are not filtering anything. We are pulling directly from the lake. And this is something that people told us we couldn't do, and we're able to do just that. We have the influent water coming in from one of the wells that the town of Cary uses. It comes into a tank that just stabilizes the pressure throughout our system. We go from this to the beginning of our first step of our process, the stripping step. Stripping is using foam fractionation to find, to capture, and remove PFAS from the water. The water mixes with air, foams up with the PFAS chemicals. It comes over into the foamate line. The foamate line travels down to step 2. What we don't capture in the first fractionator, we collect and capture in the second. Goes through the foamate line. That repeats. Number 3, same thing. Foamate. Number 4, foamate. Number 5, foamate. At the end of fractionator number 5, that's the end of our stripping process. And what we have here is PFAS-free water. This PFAS-free water leaves our system and goes to the town or wherever you want us to send it. What happens now is we begin step 2. This foamate line travels to a smaller fractionator, and this starts the enrichment process. In the enrichment process, we are simultaneously reducing the volume of water and putting all of the chemicals, so we're raising the concentration. We go from fractionator number 6, the foamate goes over just as it does before, into fractionator number 7. Now the effluent from fractionator 6 goes back to fractionator number 1. So if by chance we missed something, we collect it again. So we go from 6 to 7. After we leave 7, we start to even shrink the volume even more into this cabinet, which is trade secret, so we don't show it. So this we don't show, but when we leave this cabinet, we go into our destruction system, which is a photocatalytic destruction process that utilizes boron nitride crystals and UV light. This is a continuous operation. So the effluent from here actually goes back to fractionator number 7. So if we by chance miss something the first time, we just do it all over again. So this is a continuous process. It's all at ambient pressure and temperature. It's a continuous flow. What we're running here today is about 150,000 gallons per day of water coming in. We don't lose any water. It all goes out, clean PFAS, and then what we treat just continuously recycles. That's the Invicta Water process.